Hola, JT here of Motor. Andito tayo ngayon sa Algen Riders World dito sa Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija. So andito tayo ngayon kasi dito yung meeting place and dito rin yung take-off. So kakatapos lang ng briefing and excited na ako kasi ang dami natin ngayon, ang daming riders. I think nasa 60 plus, no, if I'm not mistaken. So mixed yan, mostly big bikes pero meron din tayong mga scooters. So I'm really excited for this. Again, thank you Michelin for this and let's enjoy the ride. Adios, motoristas!
What's up? This is Motoboy. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Gabaldon Welcome Fountain. Welcome Arch, yeah. Today we're having a breakfast ride with Michelin. Thank you so much Michelin for this kind of ride and event. Sana magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming ganito. Solid ride, doon lang tayo pacing for safety of course. Yun lang, we're looking forward for more mga gantong ride Michelin. Solid, number 1 Michelin.
We're both paid.
Number 1!
Cause something isn't right, I know. Not a single one can tell me what went wrong. Seize the day, take your time, find a way. Sleep at night, search the light, find a way. I'm so confused right now, baby. Didn't work for us, didn't work for us. And I guess it's over now, baby. Didn't work for us, didn't work for us.
This event is our first ever breakfast ride. So marami pang mangyayari sa mga susunod na buwan, taon, matagal tayong kasama. Maraming salamat. Pwede bang lugar tayo, pero nag-isa tayong edit sa video. So yun lang, maraming salamat.
Alright, so GP, thank you so much.